If you want to know how to make bitter gourd fry or Korola Bhaja or Uche Bhaja, then please watch the video till the end. Subscribe, like and hit the bell icon for more videos. To know about how to grow bitter gourd organically in your garden from seeds, then please check out my gardening channel, Cheap Gardening. I will share the link in the description box. This traditional Bengali day-to-day recipe, fried bitter gourd, is generally eaten during the summer or the warmer days of the year. It is served along with rice in the main course of meal. It improves digestion. I will make a video on the health benefits of the ingredients we eat and share the link in the description box. So stay tuned. Let's prepare the ingredients. I have bitter gourd, 3 big pieces or 300 grams. Cut them into circular rings of medium thickness. Don't wash after cutting them. If we do so, then drain the water thoroughly or make them dry with a cloth. Otherwise, the bitter gourd will be soggy. I have got diced bitter gourd, about 4½ cups. Add salt, ½ teaspoon, and turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon. Coat the bitter gourds nicely with them. In the meantime, heat mustard oil, 10 tablespoons, till it fumes. Add nigella seeds or kalo jeera, 1 teaspoon. Saute for 30 seconds. In the absence of nigella seeds, please use cumin. Add the diced bitter gourd and green chilies, 2 pieces, broken into 2 pieces. Fry in medium to high heat till crispy golden brown. I remember my mom used to tell our cook, "Bhaja bhaja koro, puriyo na kintu," meaning fry it crispy but do not burn it. That's what exactly we need. I don't like the color, so I added turmeric powder, 1/4 teaspoon. Turmeric powder gives a nice golden brown fried color. Stir frequently to avoid burning them. Do not cover it, as the steam from the cooking will make the gourd soggy. The bitter gourd looks done. It is crispy and golden brown. Taste it. Add whatever is required as per taste. I will drain the oil and take off the pan and serve it hot with hot steamed rice. It serves 3 to 4 people. Don't throw away the oil. It can be used to cook other curries. If you like my video, then please press the subscription bell and like buttons. Please visit my other channel and do the same. See you in the next video. Bye.